3 important things technical recruiters forget about. Technical recruiting means finding and hiring candidates that have specialized IT or engineering skills. What sets it apart from the standard recruitment is that in technical recruitment, it's necessary to have knowledge about a specific segment or sector of the tech industry. As a technical recruiter, you also need to keep up to date with new technology trends and products. Some of the responsibilities of a technical recruiter include sourcing talent, sometimes on niche platforms, screening applicants, scheduling interviews, interviewing candidates, combining various methods, or extending offers on behalf of the company. As a technical recruiter, you may have to face challenges like hard-to-reach candidates, their passive approach, a big number of declined offers, and a long time to hire. All this makes it one of the most difficult yet rewarding areas of specialization. In this video, I'm going to give you 3 tips on how to improve your technical hiring process and employ the perfect candidates faster. Iterate towards excellence. There's nothing worse than hiring a candidate and then getting feedback that his, her, or their skills differ from the set expectations. That's why you should really focus on identifying what hiring managers are looking for. In order to hit the target when hiring tech professionals, use a constant iterative process. How? After finishing interviews with each candidate, hold a debrief session to give the decision makers a chance to reflect on the applicant profile and process. Find new talent pools. Only a couple of years ago, there were 50,000 computer science graduates in the US, compared with 500,000 open IT positions. These numbers can give you a better understanding of the tech talent shortage. That's why it's so important to look for not-so-obvious talent pools. Some of them include Stack Overflow and GitHub. But with a bit more research and creativity, you may find even more original places where top talent may hide. It's good to keep in mind that lots of them may be still unemployed, which may be a valuable tip for you. Set consistent filters. The company you are hiring for probably has a set of business goals, company culture guidelines, or any other principles that need to be followed no matter what the role is. Ask candidates questions associated with the most significant areas of the business, and even more importantly, make sure you know the answers. Having consistent filters will make your process the most efficient.